You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from the NBA that are confusing too, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. With the New York Knicks at the moment, Mikal Bridges. How to pronounce his name correctly? Apparently not Mikal, but rather Mikal Bridges. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.